Florida Explorer. We're in Parrish at the Railroad Museum. The train is pulling out for one of its daily rides. Florida Railroad Museum, Parrish, Florida. That's not exactly a period engine, but those are certainly period cars. Open air cars, as you can see from up front, which would have been conducive to Florida, because you would have certainly need some open air in this heat. And then here's we have the older train that's on a track, but clearly hasn't moved in many, many years. And those are all period. Equipment. So, on behalf of the lovely research assistant and myself, who constitute the Florida Explorer as a team, we'll show you some more lovely oak trees and then sign off for this trip. Thank you very much.